Since the advent of LED lighting, designers and integrators have longed for precision light control and tech-enabled solutions to execute their lighting designs with accuracy and efficiency. Introducing the Rosco MiroCube 2 range of LED fixtures. Compact lights with sophisticated features that make specification and integration simple. These next-generation fixtures deliver unprecedented performance through innovative technology, including our patented Ludicrous mode, which intelligently redistributes channel power to produce maximum brightness for any color, temperature, or hue, enabling MiroCube 2 to effectively replace larger, higher wattage fixtures on a project. MiroCube 2 can also be ordered to arrive preset to a specified color or color temperature. This, along with the fixture's master dim mode, allows designers to specify and maintain a consistent color temperature or hue, while dimming the fixtures using a single channel. MiroCube 2 can also be controlled using MyMix Connect. This gives designers handheld control of the fixture's settings from their mobile device, and then instantly share those settings with colleagues and integrators, all from the free MyMix app. Designers deserve lighting solutions that can bring their vision to life. Integrators deserve smarter tools to install and maintain lighting designs. MiroCube 2 delivers both. Let's create something brilliant together.